Ready Repairs, 5616 Autumn Valley Drive. We have some loose shingles or some torn shingles over the garage area, as well as above the front door close to the ridge. Both the left and right aprons of the garage door have rotted towards the bottom. Recommend replacement. The fascia above the door, where it meets the roof line, has rotted. The textured OSB, recommend replacement. The fascia on the corner, as well as the shingle strip, is also rotted. It looks like it may have attempted to be repaired in the past. Recommend replacement. The shingles just above this peak on the front seem to be worn pretty good on the edges, it looks like, from tree damage. Recommend trimming these trees back off of the roof line. Other than the edge, the roof on this side seems to be okay. This east side of the house. Recommend rebuilding the gate on the east side of the house. Will not open and close properly. Corner boards on the chimney have some rot. Recommend replacing that. Do have one missing shingle